Best Budgeting App, Copilot vs. Monarch, 2026. When it comes to premium budgeting apps, two names stand out. White right pointing backhand index Copilot.Money. White right pointing backhand index Monarch.Money. Both are powerful, but they are built for different types of users. Let's break it down. White down pointing backhand index. High voltage sign 1. Core difference, simple explanation. Copilot best for daily spending tracking plus automation. Monarch best for full financial planning plus long-term control. White right pointing backhand index Copilot focuses on where is my money going? White right pointing backhand index Monarch focuses on how do I grow and manage my wealth? Mobile phone 2. Platform availability Copilot iPhone and Mac only, no Android or web. Monarch iPhone plus Android plus web works on all devices. White right pointing backhand index Monarch clearly wins for flexibility. Robot Face 3. Features comparison small blue diamond Copilot. Strengths: AI-powered expense tracking, automatic categorization, clean, modern UI, real-time spending insights. White right pointing backhand index great for solo users who want simplicity. Small blue diamond Monarch. Strengths: full net worth tracking, investment plus asset tracking, budget planning tools, shared accounts, couples or family. White right pointing backhand index great for families and serious financial planning. Banknote with $4. Pricing Copilot $7.99 a month $70 a year. Monarch $14.99 a month $100 per year. White right pointing backhand index Copilot is cheaper. White right pointing backhand index Monarch is more feature-rich. Family man woman girl boy 5. Best for who? White heavy checkmark choose Copilot if you use iPhone, want simple budgeting like automation, track daily spending. White heavy checkmark choose Monarch if you want full financial overview, track investments plus net worth, budget with partner or family, need deeper insights. Final verdict. White right pointing backhand index best for beginners, Copilot. White right pointing backhand index best overall power user app, Monarch. Electric light bulb simple rule. Want easy tracking? Copilot. Want complete financial control? Monarch.